Hello guys, this is the alternate of the original screen which we show you before. That was the before installation. After that we installed this screen in the LandCruiser, and this is for the model 2016 to 2020. You can install in these models of the car. So this is now Android screen. So you can get all these features which is shown in the screen. The features may be like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, YouTube, Google Map, everything. Google Navigation. So you can see the Google Map here. After that, this is radio. This is video. It has internal memory. You can store the data up to 32 GB in that screen. You can see it's very high resolution screen. It's very good alternate for the original screen. You can install in your car. You can save the data inside this.